Do all organisms respond to stimuli? How do you respond if you suddenly step on a sharp object like a thorn while walking barefoot? How do you feel when you see or think about your favorite food? You suddenly move from a dark place into bright sunlight. What happens? Your eyes shut themselves automatically for a moment till they adjust to the changed bright surroundings. Your favorite food, bright light, and a throne in the above situations are some examples of changes in your surroundings. All of us respond immediately to such changes. Changes in our surroundings that makes us respond to them are called stimuli. Do other animals also respond to stimuli? Observe the behavior of animals. When food is served to them, do you find them suddenly becoming active on seeing the food? When you move towards a bird, what does it do? Wild animals run away when bright light is flashed towards them. Similarly, cockroaches begin to move to either hiding places if the light in the kitchen is switched on at night. Can you give some more examples of responses of animal to stimuli? Do plants also respond to stimuli? Flowers of some plants bloom at night. In some plants, flowers close after sunset. In some plants, like mem, commonly known as touch me not, leaves close or fold when someone touches them. They are some examples of responses of plants towards changes in their surroundings. Activity 4. Place a potted plant in a room a little away from a window through the sunlight enters sometime during the day. Figure 9.12. Continue watering the plant for a few days. Does the plant grow upright like plants out in the open? Note the direction in which it bends. If it is not growing upright, do you think this may be in response to some stimulus? And all living things respond to change around them. Living organisms and excretion. All organisms need food. Not all the food that is eaten is completely used. Only a part of it is utilized by the body. What happens to the rest? This has to be removed from the body as waste. Our body produces some waste in other life processes also. The process of getting rid of waste by organisms is known as excretion. Do plants also excrete? They do, but not as seen in animal. The mechanism in plants are a little different. Some plants find it possible to store the waste products within their parts in a way that they do not harm the plant as a whole. Some plants remove waste products as secretions. Excretion is another characteristic common to all organisms. Do all organisms reproduce their own kind? Have you ever seen nest of some birds like pigeons? Many birds lay their eggs in the nest. Some of the eggs hatch and young birds come out of them. Figure 9.13. Animals reproduce their own kind. The mode of reproduction may be different in different animals. Some animals produce their young one through eggs. Some animals give birth to young ones. Figure 9.14. Plants also reproduce like animals. Plants also differ in their mode of reproduction. Many plants reproduce through seeds. Plants produce seeds which can germinate and grow into new plants. Figure 9.15. Some plants also reproduce through parts other than seeds. For example, a part of a potato with a bud grows into a new plant. Figure 9.16. Plants also reproduce through cuttings. Would you like to grow a plant in this way yourself? Activity 5. Take a cutting from a rose or a mehendi plant. Fix it in the soil and water it regularly. What do you observe after a few days? It may not be easy to grow plants from cuttings, Do not be disappointed if your cutting does not grow. Talk to gardener if possible on the care to be given to cuttings to make them grow into plants. Living things produce more of their own kind through reproduction. It takes place in many different ways for different organisms. Do all organisms move? In chapter 8, we discuss the various ways in which animals move. They move from one place to another and also shows other body movements. What about plants? Do they also move? Plants are generally anchored in soil so they do not move from one place to another. However, various substances like water, minerals, and the food synthesized by them move from one part of the plant to other. Have you noticed any other kind of movement in plants, opening or closing of flowers? Do you recall how some plants show movement in response to certain stimuli? We also have some non-living things moving, of course, a bus, car, a small piece of paper, clouds, and so on. Is there something different in these movements from the movement of living beings? There is such a variety of living organisms, but all of them show some common characteristics as we discussed. Yet another common characteristic is that living beings die because organisms die. Particular types of organisms can survive over thousands of years only if they reproduce their own kind. One single organism may die without ever reproducing, but the type of organism can exist only if there is reproduction.